Namaskar, this is Ravina Tandon, and I would like to wish His Holiness the Dalai Lama a blessed 90th birthday, and may he continue to guide us down the path of peace and love always. Stay blessed.
Hello, this is Esha Deol, wishing His Holiness Dalai Lama Ji a very happy 90th birthday. Wishing you happiness and the best of health. And it's an absolute honor for me to do this video wishing you on your birthday.
Pranam. On the occasion of His Holiness the Dalai Lama's 90th birthday, I would like to extend my best wishes for his good health and long life. I have had the good fortune to meet him at one of the occasions. I will cherish that memory always. May his teachings continue to guide us towards a more peaceful and compassionate world.
Happy 90th birthday, Dalai Lama. Thank you for the peace, love, and joy you spread in our world. I wish you a long and healthy life ahead.
I'd like to start by saying we are immensely grateful for everything that you do for humanity, your wisdom, your kindness, your immeasurable presence in our lives, even from afar. And even though you will continue to live on forever, we are so very grateful for your physical presence in this world. And we thank you from our hearts, and we wish you a happy birthday.
I am extremely honored and privileged to be able to wish the Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama, a very long life on his 90th birthday on the 6th of July 2025. I wish he lives long and his prayers for humanity to live in peace and harmony come true. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Your Holiness. Your presence makes the world kinder and wiser. I pray for your continued guidance, love, and light. Thank you for showing us the path of compassion and peace.
His Holiness, 90 minutes in 1995 when I met you, it completely changed my life and the way I look at the world. Skeskar Larten Brelsu, Tashidelek, and happy birthday.
His Holiness the Dalai Lama has always been the embodiment of compassion, kindness, and the spirit of the Tibetan people. On his auspicious 90th birthday, I bow before him, and I wish him a very auspicious birthday and many more birthdays in his long and inspiring life. With my love and respects.